parked outside your house on the Wi-Fi, over the air, whether your car is parked outside your house on the Wi-Fi, whether it's connected over the...
I've seen lots of people have tweeted me to go, hey, it's legal in the UK now. And I'm like, source, link, just, I'll happily read something from the government. Anything. But nobody can...
No, not there. In Canada, you're on the coast. Yeah, Agde is more inland.
Right, okay. It's a bit more closed there, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Put on their underpants.
Oh, this is terrible.
How many times have you been there?
4 or 5.
You say you don't like cruising. Good text that came in. Nice text.
The 10 best things to do. James. So many reviews. Aren't there? You stayed here, fantastic. 5 stars, by the way.
5 stars?
Fantastic.
This is a review of where you say you like to go on holiday.
For a period of time, for a day, the ability for people who use their platform to buy shares in GameStop. Now, they quickly resumed things because there was a lawsuit slapped on their table pretty much the same day. They were now allowed opinion put in there. Now, I completely understand the compliance side of things on the industry. I do, because I've been in it for a while now. As retail investors, many people may not see it, but I do.
His mum would come to pick him up in a G55 AMG, but it was always the same G55. The claim was that this mate's dad had over 20 G-Wagons, but his mum always turned up in the same one, and so this was regarded as a chink in the armour of the gossip. But surely if he had over 20 G-Wagons, it would be a different one each time, so no one really believed him. And then Jamie goes on to say, jump ahead a few years, and I haven't seen Turkish jump, which apparently is the main since we prove my point that from the actual Frankel brackets, probably not that one. You sent me a thing saying, well, yeah, P38, a guy called Tom Hollick just...
About it, you want to move as soon as possible, really, because you didn't want anything to get weird, you know? but I'll take the cuddle, thank you.
Yes, I did feed him this morning.
Okay.
And it made me laugh when you told me that he was drinking out the toilet.
Yeah, you got in a lot of trouble for that.
Do you think he did that? Classic Maggie.
Yeah. Weird.
I was on a road called Mackey Road recently.
Nice.
M-A-C-K.
Mackie spells the same differently.
Yeah. Ambulance drivers are some of the worst drivers on the road.
Funny you say that, actually. I was chatting to Jess the other day about ambulances because she was saying driving like that. And she was like, does this happen a lot? And she was like, yeah, all the time. Because the thing is, it's not necessarily going to be a bad drive. Like, I don't know what you just mean, but you've got to remember, they quite often got a patient on board, but they're trying to like save their life. So you can't drive really past these non-blue lights.
Oh, no. Like, on the blue light run, they can do whatever they want. The ambulance drivers I'm referring to are the ones which is currently doing 30 in the outside lane of a dual carriageway on the Portway with no one in front of them. They're going 10 miles under the speed limit.
Yeah. Again, though, and like, I'm not defending them, I'm just saying that I think they do take a lot of like abuse from drivers. But also, like, I can't drive on blue lights, and people assume that if I'm not on blue lights, I'm not going to a job, but potentially they have got someone in their van, whatever. And, like, I'm not saying that makes it right to people the wrong thing, but you never know.
I'll show you. I'll save it and I'll show you, okay?
2, 1, 7, and then they said, okay, you can do 22, and then a week later, we got a third season. And it was like, oh, we're well. Yeah.
How you were going to shoot and what it was going to look like?
Very much so. I saw the original, the British version, and when Greg and I met, I pitched him this idea. I said it's kind of like a tofu hot dog. So it's like good food gets wrapped in that, and Chris and Matt and I hold our own focus, hold our own iris. I would look for the cameras, I would program the cameras, what we wanted them to look like and how we wanted them to match. And then the rest of the stuff was just worked out with colors. But